Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this used vehicle. Introducing the 2016 model Nissan Qashqai that has just landed in stock. It does come complemented in the modernised black paintwork alongside housing a 1.2 petrol engine. It is the ideal spacious family upgrade. Alongside your manual transmission, it does also house a whole range of advanced features, including enhanced visibility with your LED daytime running headlights. You do even have your 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as well, alongside your power folding door mirrors and even your parking sensors for added protection. For the summer months, you do even have a full glass sunroof with an electronic shade covering, adding plenty of light exposure. Moving into your boot, you will find enough space to accommodate all your travel needs, alongside a very comfortable full cloth interior trim with access to your pull-down armrest and integrated cup holders for further comfort. Stepping into your front, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel for added driver convenience. With access to your central touch display screen, you do also have your central storage for any personal belongings, dividing your two very comfortable full cloth seats once again. So to seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, even housing your cruise control and speed limiter features to assist out on the open road, with of course your options to navigate around your cockpit display, including all your vital driving data. Moving across, you do have access to your built-in navigation system to assist when you are out on the open road and in those unfamiliar areas, as you do have your points of interest, alongside a wide selection of radio stations for endless entertainment. You do of course have your Bluetooth connection as well for quick access to vital driving apps and preferred audio. To activate your reversing camera, simply pop the car into reverse and get into those tighter spots with ease, followed just below by your dual climate control for a desired temperature. You do have your small charging pocket, central cup holders and storage compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.